Hello, friends. Welcome you all. Good morning. Today, I am going to discuss with you the meaning and importance of forex management. In the last few lectures, we were discussing about the meaning of forex and its sources and other things related to forex, forex market, types of forex market transactions, etc. We were discussing in the last few lectures. Today, the main concern of this lecture is to discuss the importance of forex management. So let us discuss first what is our just review what is forex or foreign exchange. Foreign exchange we can also term as a forex refer to the conversion of one country's currency into the another country's currency. So a single country's currency is valued against another currencies or against a basket of currencies. So it is we in a nutshell called foreign exchange, means the single country's currency, the value of single country's currency into the another currencies or the against the basket of currencies. So it is we call foreign exchange. So foreign exchange is a global market for exchanging national currencies and with another. Foreign exchange venues comprises the largest security market in the world, as we have discussed, by its nominal value. So trillions of dollar every day, transactions of trillions of dollar happens every day. Foreign exchange trading utilizes currency pairs in terms of different currencies. For example, Indian rupee and dollar, then Canadian dollar and US dollar, like that. Forward and futures are the two important sections of the forex markets where we can trade. So this was the meaning in the last lectures we have discussed. So what is forex management? So forex exchange or forex is essential to transacting global business. So when any consumer participate in the transacting global business or transact anything in at the international level, then consumers must convert domestic currency to make overseas purchases, while businesses are concerned with trading international profit for domestic banknotes. So in the transactions, global transactions, buying and purchasing, the consumer needs to convert its currency into the foreign currency, or the if he get the profit, then he or she must convert into domestic banknotes. So global commerce, however, does carry distinct risk of losses. So there is the loss when the or profit when the price of forex changes. So effective forex management minimizes these economic risks while providing cash flow to meet everyday expenses and improve earning. So here in the international trade, the forex management, the role of forex management is there. So effective forex management minimizes these economic risk or losses when the rate of exchange between two currencies changes or it affects the market. So at that time the forex management is essential. So foreign exchange management requires its participant to enter the market to deliver and accept currencies at fluctuating exchange rate. So from there, individual may either hold foreign currency in reserve to make payment or return overseas profit back home in the form of domestic banknote. So sufficient reserve of foreign exchange is important, and effective use, that is the management of foreign exchange, is important. So proper foreign exchange management accounts for these transactions while anticipating shifts in currency valuation that affect the bottom line. So proper foreign exchange management is needed at the international transactions. Strategy: foreign exchange management may use diversification and currency derivatives to manage risk and preserve profit. Currency derivatives, for example, the strategy means here we are discussing how to manage the foreign exchange, means how to protect ourselves from the fluctuations in the foreign exchange market. So here the currency derivatives to manage risk and preserve profit. If your business is at international level, or you have to deal with international market through because of your business, then currency derivatives are there. So what are the currency derivatives we are going to discuss in this lecture? Currency derivatives are bought to establish predetermined exchange rate for set period. Currency derivatives means the some contracts to protect the from fluctuating exchange rate. For example, if forward contract is there, then the agreement is done between buyer and seller to buy and sell the foreign currency or foreign exchange at predetermined date in the future. So like that, there are the different contracts. So these derivatives include futures, options and forwards. We are going to discuss, and earlier we have discussed in the foreign exchange transaction. So these are the future, option and forward. So currency future are option trade on organized exchanges. For example, in Chicago Mercantile Exchange is there. Forward, however, are customized agreement between two parties to negotiate future exchange rate between themselves. In a nutshell, you can understand that these are the different contracts to protect the fluctuating exchange rate and to manage effective foreign exchange. So smaller investor may elect to diversify with mutual fund according to geography instead. For example, high commodity cost may lead Japan into economic recession, while mutual fund investing in resource rich Russia are making money. So there are different, here is the just example given, but here you can this in, if you are the smaller investor, then you can choose the options or mutual funds at international level. But for your business, you may use the strategy of different contracts such as future, option and forward contracts. So what is the importance of foreign exchange management? Foreign exchange management is important because with this we can estimate exchange rate correctly, and it is also helpful to control the risk of forex. So when we buy or sell any product from foreign country, forex rate affects it deeply. For example, if Indian importer imports from USA, uh, if US's dollar appreciate, then the cost of importer for India will increase. So according to that, the all businessmen, whether they are doing the business of forex or no, should manage forex for reducing the risk. So forex management is very important from the viewpoint of any business to which deals in international market and in international currencies. So the it we can estimate the forex rate correctly through the forex management, and according to that we can sustain our profit or preserve our profit. So with the one by one point, we are going to discuss the importance of foreign exchange management. Number one, for better planning of forex. So whether you are doing the business of or forex or not, with forex management, you can make better plan for forex. For example, if you see that supply of good is from a country whose exchange rate will appreciate, you can make strategy to invest your money in that currency. So you can take this decision on the basis of better understanding of forex management. So for the better planning of your business, suppose your business is depend on the raw material of which is come from foreign country, and that country's currency is going to appreciate in the future. So you can make the future contract that on that particular date you may get the forex in a predetermined rate, or the rate which is decided in the agreement. So it is called future contract. So according to that, for the better planning of your business, you can make this strategy. So forex, understanding of forex management is very important. Look at the second point. For creating forex reserve, forex management is significant for us because it teaches us to create forex reserve at optimum amount instead of creating reserve in own currency. So you just go to your own bank and deposit money in the reserve in your own currency. But if you make FD in foreign bank, it is your forex reserve. So as MNC, you should create multiple currency forex reserve. So in a nutshell, we can say that the creating forex reserve is very important, because forex management is significant from the viewpoint of your business. So instead of just creating reserve in own currency, create the forex reserve or create the fixed deposit for a foreign bank. So it will help you to appreciate your currency. So it is a type of investment also which can help you to get earnings or to protect from the future risk of changes in the exchange rate. Next point is for controlling the risk of forex. When currency rate will change in the forex market, it may bring loss for you. So forex management can help for you to reduce this loss by providing your advanced tool to control the risk of forex. So what are these the tool to control the risk of forex? What are these tools? As we have discussed, we are going to see or study one by one. Number one is forex future. Forex future or foreign exchange future is also called currency future. It means to contract of exchange of one currency to other currency. So in this contract, we fix the future date. We just pay the purchase date price and buy it in the future date. So in the future date, if rate will increase, we will just pay past purchase date price. So this will be helpful to reduce the risk of forex, because with this, buyer can lock current forex rate for future date. So future contract means just buying the foreign exchange currency at the current rate in the future. So in the future, the value of foreign currency may increase or decrease. So if it is increased, then also the purchaser or buyer will get the foreign currency at the decided or the agreed rate or at the agreed price. So there is no risk, or there is the loss which is protected in the future contract. The loss through the fluctuating the foreign currency, so it is eliminated here. Next is forex hedging. Forex hedging means to do two opposite future contracts. One contract is of buy the forex and second contract is of selling forex. So you can read more detail in the later we are going to discuss it. But forex hedging means at the same time buying the forex currency in and the selling the future foreign currency. So when foreign currency appreciate, then you have bought it. If it goes down, then you have sold it. So these opposite contract can protect you from fluctuating the forex value. So it is called the forex hedging. In the stock market also, the investors do the hedging there. At the same time they sell and bought the sell and buy stocks in the different market, that is NSE and BSE. So they get the good returns according to the market. So it is the hedging which is at the same time. Hedging means in simple words, it is the two opposite future contracts which can protect you from the fluctuating the forex the value of forex foreign exchange. Next is forex swap. Forex swap is to buy and sell same amount of one currency for any other currency. So it is also called currency swap. So currency swap is an agreement between two parties of two countries for exchanging of principal and interest of loan at its present value. So this swap is very useful for controlling foreign exchange risk. So forex swap is to buy and sell same amount of one currency for any other currency. So it is also called currency swap. So it is also again the agreement to protect you from the fluctuating the exchange rate of the foreign currency. Next benefit or the importance of foreign exchange management is maximizing the consolidated earning of international business. Suppose there are lots of big MNCs who does the business in more than 100 currencies. 100 countries. All these countries foreign exchange rate changes day by day. So with forex management, forex manager make a solid forex policy in which he does best for maximizing the consolidated earning of international business. For example, a company sell the goods to any country. If this currency will depreciate, company get more money from that country. But same time the salary cost will increase when it has to pay the salary to the employees who are working in that country. So company's aim always should be to maximize the consolidated earning, not earning from one country due to forex change. So any multinational business have to think about or have to implement the strategy of forex management, so that they can maximize the consolidated earning of international business. So in a nutshell or in a summary, we can say that the forex management is important to protect the changes in the forex market or the fluctuations, the changes bring by fluctuations in the forex market, and to maximize the profit of your business or maximize your earnings, or maximize or minimize your losses in the forex market or fluctuation in that. So forex management is very important from your own point of view, and from your business point of view, and from the government point of view also. So government also have to manage the forex or foreign exchange. So, but it has the different concept, it have the different name, that is we called it foreign exchange control. So when government take the steps to control the foreign exchange, it is called foreign exchange control. So we are going to discuss in it in the next lecture, what is forex exchange control. So that much in this lecture. See you in the next lecture.